shadows at night. City of angels, but it hurts so.
Hey, what's up? It's Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Iann Dior's new song, Thought It Was, featuring Machine Gun Kelly and Travis Barker. Let's get started. Alright, for this song you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. The chords you'll need are E minor, open 2-2, open, 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 G, 3-2, open, 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 3, D, X, open, open, 2-3-2, and C, X, 3-2, open, 1, open. So all together we have E minor, G, D, and C. E minor, open 2-2, open, open, open. G is 3-2, open, 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 3. D is X, open, open, 2-3-2. And C is X, 3-2, open, 1, open. Strumming pattern would be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Let me know some other songs you want to hear down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.